Wait, maybe it's not too late to apologize. We should do something about it. We visited the Rio Grande State Park, where we visited the World Birding Center. The mission of the World Birding Center is to protect native habitat while increasing the understanding and appreciation of the birds and wildlife. All revenue collected from entrance and usage fees goes directly to support Texas state parks. Let's take a walk, shall we? There's Rhea, and here's a group. We're heading on our way to the Bentsen Park right now. We're really close. We did a lot of walking, so I suggest we fast forward. Here's our first stop inside the park. It's about 10 feet in front of the entrance, and we got to see a bird. And here it is, the chakalaka. These two are our tour guides. The one in the middle, his name is Randall. The one on the right, his name is Marco, and they're really knowledgeable about the birds and their habitat. For a bird walk, there was a lot of standing around, but I guess that's the concept. We did appreciate nature though. Along the way, we ran into a bird recorder. His name was Martin Stewart. Look at that parabolic microphone. And soon enough, we started migrating again. Look, Rhea woke up so early, she didn't even wear the right flip-flop pair. What a dork. And after walking, and walking, and walking, we came across a bird feeder. Too bad there was a hawk flying around, scared away all the birds. Bird watching is a booming national pastime, and for the lower Rio Grande Valley, it's also big business. Ecotourism is a solution where local people benefit from tourism revenue and birds wildlife benefit from protected lands. Tourists are spending millions of dollars each year for the chance to see our famous birds. And that sums it up for our journey. That's it for the two birds. Credits, please.